So renting trailers this year, I made about $80,000, and not only more time freedom, but I can also help people too and actually get satisfaction from it, rather than just clocking in at a job where nobody cares. Instead, I'm the person that cares about people because I want to help them with whatever they need help with. A shingle job, hauling a car, or wrenching a lawnmower, brush mower, anything like that. But there's a lot of questions, what insurance to buy, what's the first trailer I should get, where do you store it, legality things, all these questions, rental contracts, marketing rather. Well, luckily I have a free course that you can look at all that, but I also have a step-by-step guide, whether you already rent trailers or if you're just thinking about getting into the business or not. And I answer pretty much every question you need. And even if I don't, you can just message me and ask me too. I want to help you guys. So with that being said, this step-by-step course is normally $300. I am marking it to $25. Like, not $25 off, $25 to purchase it until New Year's Day. I want to help you guys also become financially free. If you even have one trailer just sitting around, rent it out. Make your liabilities assets is what I call it. And obviously, yes, there's risk. There's risk with everything. But I've had very few minuscule damages, let's say, with the trailers. It's you just don't know until you try. So worst comes to worst, you rent it out. If you don't like dealing with people or you just don't feel comfortable with it, you can just stop. So anyways, if you have a question, feel free to ask me. I love doing this. I think I'm literally it's gonna probably be, if I were to guess realistically, this sounds crazy, but I think I'm gonna triple my revenue next year. So from 80,000 minimum, 240, just because I have a shit ton more stuff. And a lot of that I just got at the end of this year. I moved to a bigger town, and people were just finding out about that this year. And then people like what I have, so I'm just going to get a couple more of those things too, and offer some additional services. But you can follow me if you want to stay posted with all that. So I think it's literally going to do astronomically well. I honestly even think more than 3x 2026. Because this year was more than double last year, and I mean the graph's just going up. So very thankful, very happy, very proud. Love all my customers. So, but now it's time for me to help you guys. So at least check out my free Skool community, or message me if you have any questions. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's December 8th right now, but it'll be here before we know it.